everything and that.
Yeah.
Took her for a drive.
Yeah.
And you can still hear it, but not as bad.
No.
And he put her, or anyway, he adjusted the brakes all up and everything, and then took her for a drive.
Yeah.
And then he took her back and he took the wheels all off and everything, pulled them. And he just helped the look over.
Flat tire on the inside.
And anyway, there was that side, he put it all back together.
Yeah.
And it seemed good. And then
Yeah.
he went around the other side, pulled the axle anyway.
Yeah.
Anyway, I said, you got to check the brake shoes anyway. And, Jesus Christ, he said that tire looked odd. He just gives a snap with his wrist.
Yeah.
On the horse.
Flat. Flat as the bastard.
Yeah.
You made.
And see, when I noticed it, like when I pulled out the big feather feature, used mine.
Yeah.
With the load on,
Right.
faster I went, the more she roared. She must have just come flat then.
Oh, yeah. Right.
And I checked the one on the driver's side.
Oh, yeah.
The noise seemed to be coming.
Yeah.
Rotten bastard.
Yeah. No, yeah, I usually get all mine done in October, remember? And I used to get 4 or 5 here in the subdivision and make it a worthwhile day.
Yeah.
But anyway, I get awful busy this October at work. I've been on the go a lot, working a lot of Saturdays, and I just didn't have time to. And anyway,
Everybody was.
well,
I'm telling you,
October went so goddamn fast, Kelvin.
Everybody's so fucking swamped.
Yeah. So anyway, Debbie's gone away for the weekend to Ottawa, and I said, now, geez, I got to work. I work tomorrow morning, and I got hockey in the afternoon. O'Leary with the young one.
Hang on, Paul. I get this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, I just said maybe if Kelvin's working Monday and I'm off, I could dig it up. It only takes 15 minutes to dig her up and do her.
Well.
But that's up to you if you're able to go. If you're working like I mean, it's a holiday for the rest of us.
Who, me? I'm working every day.
You're
Saturday,
working every
Sunday.
day, what?
I'm working Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
You are.
I got to.
Yeah, I bet you.
Well,
Yeah.
like the fields are soft, and
Yeah.
I own like two
Yeah,
fields.
you gotta be careful where you drive into.
Well, two fields can't get in.
No, where are you going? Kelvin with it. Where do you go? Close by?
Right now to Freetown.
Oh, Jesus.
Or 16, either one or the other.
Oh, Christ.
Well, the other two are too wet.
Yeah,
I got no choice. So the treatment plant is $35 a load to dump.
Oh, shit that. You don't need that.
No.
Christ, no, I'd take mine out home and dump it if I had to.
Yeah.
You know, the King Horror.
Yeah.
Woof.
So,
Not worried about that.
no, but I say that's if you get stuck like this, you don't have any choice.
No, if you get stuck, I'll look after you in Shamrock.
No, but you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
once the fields are plowed,
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, once
2005, 2005, it ain't gonna make any difference anyway.
No, sir.
It's all
So
gonna go.
I got pasture field we can drive on.
Yeah, but I'm saying 2005,
Oh, yeah.
it's all gonna go to treatment plant.
Oh, really? That's what someone was saying. Yeah, I heard that. Yeah.
It'll be 7 or 10 cents a gallon to dump it.
You made not a bastard?
Yeah.
Oh, dear Jesus.
What?
I hope at that time we're hooked on to we have a lot of septic tanks out here in Travelers Rest.
Yep.
Way too many. Should have our own sewer or have something, you know.
Well, it goes as far as the tractor.
Yeah, I know. She's right up the track.
See?
Yeah, we might hook into that someday.
As you got the city.
Yeah. But anyway, what's your plans? What do you think? Do you want to do her?
You dig her up tomorrow, and I might do her tomorrow,
Okay.
or Sunday, or do you
Okay.
care if I do it Sunday?
I don't give a goddamn man if you're here. I'm going to church for 9 o'clock, and I'm home after that at quarter after 10.
Okay.
And I'll have her dug. Now, I'm working tomorrow morning, so
Yeah.
don't come tomorrow morning.
No,
And
I can't.
I'm
I gotta
leaving
go down.
work and going right to O'Leary to coach the girls,
Yeah.
and I'll be home at a quarter after 3.
Yeah.
And I have about an hour there before I go to Slemon Park.
You dig it up.
I'll dig her up tomorrow when I come home from O'Leary,
Yeah.
and then she's open.
Yeah.
And if you want to come anytime Sunday, you
Which one is
yourself.
yours? The last one?
I'm
Second one.
before the old welfare place.
Yeah.
The second to last one on the right.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
You know, coming down the street.
Yep.
And if you don't have a field to dump, you just
Oh.
let me know, and we can go right out to Shamrock and put her in the pasture field.
Yeah. Well, we could. Yeah.
If you don't have a place to go, though, you tell me.
Yeah. Well, no.
And we'll have a place to go, and you'll be all right to drive on her.
Yep.
I know that for a fact.
Yep.
And if you get stuck, I got 2 tractors out home to pull you out.
Yep.
But you won't be stuck. And I'm off Monday.
Yep.
And I'm off Sunday. But on Sunday now, I'm home. I go to church from 9 to 10.
Yep.
And then I'm home from about quarter after 10 till about quarter to 1. And then I have to be in the court from 1:30. My brother's young fella's getting baptized.
Yeah.
At 1:30.
Yeah. That's all right.
But I mean, I can leave a sheet of plywood over it and you just back in and help yourself.
Yep.
That's not a problem with me.
Yeah. Because.
And I'll give you a check. I'll see you.
Yeah. I got to get all I can done in the next 3 days.
Just do all you can. I'll have her dug Saturday afternoon. If you land here at 4 o'clock, she'll be dug.
Good.
I'll guarantee you.
Okay.
And like I say, Kelvin, don't be stuck. We got a pasture field up in Shamrock there. I'll look after you.
Yep. Yeah,
Great.
no, Tom, I'll get a field around here somewhere.
Yeah.